Alright guys, this is the first time out in the water with this, and the the bigger props, different motors, what have you, they really move the boat good, really good. But I'm going to be working on a set of my own motors, bigger motors. They're going to be 775 motors, more torque and what have you. And I don't like the idea you can't get in and clean and oil these. But man, it really moved out pretty good. Uh, if you like what you see, thank you for watching. Get down there and hit that subscribe button because we got some stuff coming up. But these things really move the boat good. That and the motors I'll be making will be actually smaller in diameter. They won't be as big around as those. So this will be interesting. So hit that subscribe button and thank you for watching.